This is a review of the Crafty Crocodile 2 bread bags in 1 package. The brand sent this to me so that I can do a review. And these are so cute. These are, again, 2 bread bags. They are made of recycled plastic. These are freezer safe and machine washable safe. And what's really neat about these is they each come with a zip opening, and then they come with a clear, see-through, and then on the bottom here we've got breathable little ventilation. And so that is really a neat feature. And these also come with quite a few of these little white tags where you can slip them in here to mark your items. These are really, really cute, and they are going to be very versatile and useful in my kitchen.